Today we will review about TCL portable air conditioner. 3-in-1 fan, AC, and dehumidifier. Choose the perfect mode to keep your room cool, clean, and dry without ever needing to empty a bucket with our self-evaporating design. Move around in seconds. With the simple and easy installation kit, set up your portable AC unit in minutes using the included hose and window kit. Thoughtfully designed to not disturb you, this AC unit noise level is as low as 51 decibels, so you can enjoy serene cooling in peace. Easy and convenient control. The LED display makes controlling your portable air conditioner simple, while the included remote lets you effortlessly control the unit without ever leaving the couch. Keep your energy bill low. The 24-hour timer and sleep mode help to keep your energy bill low while you stay comfortable. Protect your AC from dust and pet hair. The washable and reusable filter helps protect the life of your window AC, while also reducing large airborne particles like dust and pet hair.